Using wood furniture in our homes is of significant importance, as it influences not only the aesthetic appeal of our living spaces, but also our overall well-being and lifestyle. The natural beauty, durability, and warmth of wood create an inviting atmosphere that enhances our daily experiences. Beyond mere functionality, wood furniture embodies a rich history and cultural significance, providing a tangible connection to nature and tradition. One of the most compelling reasons for incorporating wood furniture into our homes is its timeless appeal. Unlike trends that come and go, wood furniture maintains a classic aesthetic that transcends changing styles. The unique grain patterns, textures, and colors found in wood provide a sense of individuality, making each piece distinct. This individuality allows homeowners to express their personal style while creating a cohesive and harmonious environment. The warmth of wood adds a layer of comfort and familiarity that can make a house feel like a true home. Hello there, welcome to our channel. Today we will show you a collection of stylish modern wood furniture and wood decor ideas to transform your home. So, watch the video until the end to see these beautiful ideas and get inspiration. We post furniture, decor, and craft ideas videos on a daily basis. If you're new to the channel, please consider subscribing to never miss these inspirational furniture, decor, and craft ideas. Smash the notification bell so that you'll be notified when we upload new videos. Also, don't forget to like and share this video, as your likes and shares enable us grow our channel and give you more content in return. Wood furniture is incredibly versatile. It can seamlessly fit into various design schemes, from traditional to contemporary. This adaptability allows homeowners to blend different styles and create a unique atmosphere that reflects their tastes and preferences. The natural qualities of wood complement a range of materials, including metal and fabric, enabling endless design possibilities. This versatility not only enhances the aesthetic of a room, but also allows for creative expression in interior design. Durability is another key factor that underscores the importance of wood furniture. High-quality wood pieces are built to last, often withstanding the test of time better than furniture made from synthetic materials. This longevity translates into a more sustainable choice, as investing in solid wood furniture reduces the need for frequent replacements. The craftsmanship involved in creating wooden pieces often results in sturdy construction that can endure years of use. This durability not only provides value for money, but also contributes to a more environmentally friendly lifestyle by minimizing waste. In addition to its aesthetic and practical benefits, wood furniture has a positive impact on our health and well-being. Studies have shown that natural materials can enhance indoor air quality, reducing the presence of harmful substances that are often found in synthetic materials. Wood has a natural ability to regulate humidity, which can create a more comfortable living environment. The warmth of wood also contributes to a calming atmosphere, promoting relaxation and reducing stress levels. This connection to nature is particularly important in today's fast-paced, technology-driven world, where creating a serene environment can significantly impact our mental health. The emotional connection we develop with wood furniture is another important aspect of its significance. Many people have fond memories associated with wooden pieces, whether at a family dining table where gatherings took place or a handcrafted rocking chair passed down through generations. These memories infuse our living spaces with nostalgia and sentimentality. As we surround ourselves with furniture that has history, we cultivate a sense of belonging and continuity. This emotional connection can enhance our appreciation for the objects in our homes, turning them into cherished heirlooms that tell our stories. Furthermore, using wood furniture can foster a sense of mindfulness in our daily lives. The tactile quality of wood invites touch and interaction, encouraging us to engage more fully with our surroundings. This engagement can lead to a deeper appreciation for the details and craftsmanship of the furniture we use. By being present with our environment and the objects we choose to surround ourselves with, we can create a more meaningful and intentional living space. This mindfulness can extend beyond furniture to influence our overall lifestyle, encouraging us to make more conscious choices. The cultural significance of wood furniture cannot be overlooked. Throughout history, wood has been a fundamental material in furniture making, often reflecting the craftsmanship and traditions of different regions and cultures. Each piece carries a story, representing the skills and artistry of the artisans who created it. By choosing wood furniture, we support these traditions and contribute to the preservation of craftsmanship that has been passed down through generations. This appreciation for cultural heritage enriches our understanding of design and connects us to a broader narrative. Additionally, wood furniture can enhance the functionality of our spaces. The natural properties of wood allow for a variety of designs that cater to different needs. From versatile storage solutions to multifunctional pieces, wood furniture can adapt to the demands of modern living. This adaptability makes wood an ideal choice for homes that require flexibility and practicality. The inherent strength of wood also means it can support a range of uses, from heavy dining tables to lightweight accent pieces. Incorporating wood furniture into our homes can also stimulate creativity and inspire a sense of craftsmanship. The diverse range of wood types, finishes, and styles encourages homeowners to explore and experiment with different design elements. This exploration fosters a deeper understanding of interior design principles and can lead to innovative solutions for space utilization. Engaging with wood furniture allows us to appreciate the artistry involved in its creation, inspiring us to incorporate similar principles of craftsmanship into our lives. Moreover, the use of wood furniture aligns with a growing movement towards sustainability and eco-conscious living. As awareness of environmental issues increases, many people are seeking out sustainable materials for their homes. Wood, particularly when sourced from responsibly managed forests, is a renewable resource that can contribute to a healthier planet. By choosing wood furniture, we support sustainable practices that prioritize the environment and the well-being of future generations. This commitment to sustainability can influence other aspects of our lives, encouraging us to make more eco-friendly choices. The financial aspect of investing in wood furniture is also significant. While the initial cost may be higher compared to cheaper, mass-produced alternatives, the long-term value of quality wood pieces is undeniable. Their durability and timeless appeal mean they can withstand years of use, often becoming family heirlooms that hold sentimental value. This investment in quality translates into savings over time, as we are less likely to need replacements or repairs. Additionally, well-crafted wooden furniture can increase the overall value of a home, making it a wise financial choice. Well, there you have them, our hand-picked, stylish modern wood furniture and wood decor ideas to transform your home. Which ones did you like? What did you like about them? Share us your thoughts in the comment section. We hope you've enjoyed our today's content. If you do, please consider subscribing to our channel if you haven't already, and also smash that notification bell so that you'll be the first one to be notified when we upload new videos. It takes a lot of time and effort to make these videos. Your subscriptions, likes, and shares are what inspire us to create more content. Therefore, please consider subscribing to our channel if you haven't already. And finally, thank you for watching until the end. We'll look forward to seeing you in our next video. Until then, stay safe and stay blessed.